Welcome back, guys, to the part 2 of From AI Prompt to Publish Mobile Application using ChatGPT. We are going to do that. So now we are going to learn the application which we have earlier downloaded that to be into the Android Studio. So for that, what we're going to do, we will open our Android Studio. We'll go here in New Flutter Project. Okay, it's all your SDK path. If you don't know how to use Android Studio, that's not a problem. You can see my previous videos. Using that, you can simply understand how to use Android Studio and the Flutter and create the simple application. I'll click on the next and I will make it a to-do list. Okay. Now you can change it or not change it. It doesn't matter too much here. You can simply change it here. This is if you really want to publish it, to-do list dot. Okay. We are using Kotlin here. You can uncheck it also if, for example, you don't want to Windows, web, and Mac OS. You don't want Linux, you don't want iOS, because this is a Windows platform I'm teaching you. So we will develop only with the Android. Okay. We'll in next videos we'll also learn how to create the Windows application, how to create the web application, also Mac OS and Linux and iOS as well. So click on create. It will start creating the project. Now, as you can see that the project has been created, a sample project, to-do list app. Now, still the things are not yet done. These are some simple sample pages. You can just exclude folder because Microsoft will have a defender facility to protect your system from the unauthorized access or like a safety purpose. So what I'm gonna do is, first, if you remember last time we have downloaded that files over here, Simple Todo List App over here. Okay. So I'll just create the ChatGPT images and everything. We can simply generate with the help of that. So let's gonna import that particular zip file. So guys, here is our Simple To-Do List app. I'll just simply click on it and click on extract it over here. Now, as you can see here, Simple To-Do List app. It has given some of the details like we don't need this one, we need this one, we don't need this one, and we need this one. These two files. YML, because we need the dependencies and everything, because sometimes it's needed. If a simple to-do list application, you don't need so many things. But for this, you can simply go for this one. And library, which will have all your files and everything. As you can see, it has created a proper model, service, widget, and structure. So first of all, what you're gonna do is we will open this YML file and we will see. Okay, so it has given us the facility. Now, your to-do list application is an offline. So if you know Flutter or if you know how to develop the mobile application, you know what is the shared preferences. Okay. So we don't need to copy so many things, environment and everything. We will just copy this section. We will just copy this section here. We come back here. As you can see here in the section, YML file, and we go for the dependencies. Just fully select it over here and just paste it. After doing that, so click on this one. Now, once you have done this, next step is to simple copy the whole library file over here. And I will go here, and in the library you can delete this folder. This is not required actually, and we can just simply come here, right click on it, open Explorer, and then open the library, Control A and Control V, replace the files in the destination. Now, as you have done it, as you can see it here, all the files are here, the models of the task. As you can see, all the code is written completely. Complete code is written over here. The home screen, how it will be, add task, edit task, settings, dark mode, not dark mode. We can have more settings also. See, all this code earlier, if you used to write it, it takes so much time. You can say if you are a very hardcore developer, you can make it in a day. But you have to write model, code and everything. You have to remember everything. Now, with the help of ChatGPT, what you can do, we just make the application just in 1 minute. We just give the prompt and the application is done. We are not yet done because still we have to do the publishing and there's a lot of other processes also there. So we will do that things and we will see how this application works. So see you guys in another video. If you like this video, subscribe and like for more videos like this.